So hi guys, this is the wildlife in Masinaguri forest of Nilgiri. So this is an elephant passing by. It is not a wild elephant, it is just a trained elephant. This is the greenery of the Masinaguri forest. It is so beautiful to see, and there are some lakes which have crocodiles in it, but we never spot a crocodile. By the way, we saw many deers hanging out in the forest. So now the part of deers comes. So if you can see, there are two deers hanging out there. So the journey of deer starts. So now there is bunch of deers hiding behind these trees. Now you can see those deers over there, and there are many more. There is a symbol of bear. Oh. Hi guys, I'm in elephant camp. So you can see many elephants. By the way, they have their own names. But sadly, they are trained elephants, not wild. There are few deers also and a peacock. So from here we have taken 4 animals pictures. So one of them is samba deer, spot deers, a bison and a peacock. Bye guys.